Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to wear pants that are too tight. This is a very useful life hack, so let's get right into the video. Let's say your pants are a bit too tight, just like mine right here, but you still want to wear those pants. Well, you can still wear them, believe it or not. All that you need is a rubber band. Now, if you'll notice, my shirt is tucked in because I tried to keep this video as literally as clean as possible. It's literally only about the pants right here and how to make sure that they stay attached at the top if you can't button them up. So if you're trying to button them up and you're like, I can't reach, this is the method for you, okay? It works wonders for me. So if you take your elastic, you want to feed your elastic through the button hole over here, okay? So you can see, the zipper and all the other buttons are already done up. It's just the top button that we're struggling with over here. So feed the elastic like this, feed it through your button hole, and now you can see it's sort of on half and half. One part is on the inside, one part is on the outside. You're gonna take one half, open it up like that. The other half goes through, closed goes through that. So I'm going through that and I'm picking up the closed half like that. And then we've attached it to the button hole right over here. Now on this side right here, I'm taking this part that's attached to the button hole and we are just looping it around the button over here. That's it. My pants are now held together. Look at that, it works wonders. And guess what? Let's say, you need it to be a little bit tighter, right? Because this is a pretty loose elastic, right? Let's say you can go a little bit tighter, or you need it to be a bit tighter. Well, then you just take your elastic and just wrap it around the button a couple times like that, and it tightens it up, just like that. That's it. If you have pants that are a bit too tight and you want to wear them still, this is a great life hack for you. Once again, shirts tucked in, I tried to literally keep the video as clean as possible because it is actually a really useful life hack. To be honest with you, this is very fun. I use this all the time. I have a couple pairs of pants that don't fit me well and it works wonders. And it lasts the whole day without a problem. Just make sure you get your hands on a good durable elastic band, a good durable rubber band. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.